I'm now in the Kuka city in China's Xinjiang. Around me are endless photovoltaic panels, which can convert solar energy in electricity. The electricity will be used to produce hydrogen with almost no carbon dioxide emission.
The China Petrochemical Corporation, the country's largest oil refiner, completed the construction of a 20,000 tons per year green hydrogen plant in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region on Friday.
我们这座光伏站整体占地面积9700多亩，约相当于900多个足球场大小。总共光伏站安装了光伏组件546868块。
This is a key area of the green hydrogen project, where the water will be converted in the hydrogen and oxygen.
我们碱性电解槽自氢自氧呢，主要是通过我们当地的自来水产生的氢气跟氧气进入我们的这个气体分离装置，经过纯化之后进入我们的储罐。
These wet tanks are hydrogen storage facilities, which can hold 210,000 cubic meters hydrogen.
The hydrogen stored here will be sent to a nearby Sinopec refining company. It can replace fossil energy such as natural gas to produce hydrogen and reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 485,000 tons per year.